Today we are talking about something powerful, AI plus human brain, the ultimate study combination. If you are preparing for competitive exams like GATE, IIT JEE or any high pressure exam, if you want to study smarter using AI for students, if you are struggling with long study hours, focus issues, or burnout, then this video on AI plus human brain, the ultimate study combination, will completely change how you approach studying. Because the future of learning is not AI alone and it is not the human brain alone. The real power is in combining both. Let's understand how. The human brain is powerful but imperfect. Your brain is extraordinary. It can solve complex problems, visualize concepts, connect ideas creatively, adapt and learn. But it also has weaknesses. The human brain forgets quickly, gets distracted easily, feels fatigue, suffers from emotional pressure, especially during exam preparation. You sit to study. After 40 minutes, your focus drops. After 2 hours, you feel tired. After 5 hours, you feel overwhelmed. This is not lack of intelligence, it's cognitive limitation. And that's where AI enters. AI can analyze massive data instantly, track mistakes, create study plans, generate questions, personalize revision schedules. But AI cannot feel ambition, handle emotions, develop discipline, create dreams. AI doesn't want success, you do. AI doesn't feel fear, you do. So neither AI alone nor the human brain alone is enough. The real power, AI plus human brain. Why AI and human brain is the ultimate study combination. Let's break this down practically. AI handles data, you handle decision. AI can show where you are weak, track your mock test patterns, identify frequent mistakes, measure accuracy and speed. But only you can decide to improve, stay disciplined, push through discomfort. AI gives clarity, you give commitment. That combination creates growth. AI fights forgetting, brain builds understanding. The human brain forgets rapidly. It's called the forgetting curve. AI uses spaced repetition, active recall scheduling, smart revision alerts. But deep conceptual understanding that comes from your brain's effort. AI reminds, your brain strengthens. Together, retention improves massively. AI reduces mental load, brain focuses on learning. Most students waste energy deciding what to study, what to revise, which subject first. Decision fatigue drains mental stamina. AI removes that burden. It plans, it schedules, it prioritizes. Your brain then uses energy for thinking, understanding, solving. This is intelligent studying. AI simulates pressure, brain builds confidence. Competitive exams are psychological battles. AI can create timed mock tests, increase difficulty gradually, track panic mistakes. Your brain learns to stay calm under pressure, recover from errors, think clearly. Confidence is trained through exposure. AI provides controlled exposure. Your brain builds resilience. Let me tell you a story. Two students prepared for the same exam. Student A relied only on hard work. He studied 9 to 10 hours daily, revised repeatedly, felt exhausted. Student B combined effort with AI tools. He tracked weaknesses, practiced active recall, used spaced revision, analyzed mock tests deeply. Before the exam, board looked serious, but on exam day, student A panicked under pressure. Student B stayed calm. Why? Because student B trained his brain using AI insights. He didn't just study, he studied intelligently. That's the difference. How to practically use AI plus human brain today. You don't need expensive tools. Start simple. Step first, use AI for analysis. After mock tests, identify weak topics, track silly mistakes, analyze time management. Next step, use AI for question generation. Instead of rereading notes, ask AI to generate mixed questions, increase difficulty gradually, explain errors clearly. Next step is use AI for revision planning. Let AI decide when to revise, what to revise, how often to repeat. Next step is use your brain for deep work. Turn off distractions, practice conceptual clarity, problem solving, reflection. AI assists, your brain performs. The danger of depending too much on AI. Let me warn you, AI is a tool, not a replacement. If you copy answers blindly, depend without thinking, skip struggle, your brain weakens. Struggle builds neural strength. AI should guide, optimize, support, not replace thinking. The goal is not to let AI think for you. The goal is to let AI sharpen your thinking. The future belongs to hybrid thinkers. In the next decade, the most successful students will not be the ones who reject AI, not the ones who depend entirely on AI. It will be those who combine human creativity, AI precision. This is true for competitive exams, corporate careers, tech industry, entrepreneurship. AI plus human brain is not just a study strategy, it's a survival strategy. Let me end with this. Your brain is powerful, AI is powerful, but together they are unstoppable. Don't study harder, study smarter. Don't fear AI, master it. The future belongs to those who combine technology with intelligence, and that future can start today. If this video on AI plus human brain, the ultimate study combination, helped you, like this video, share it with one serious aspirant, comment smart study if you are ready to upgrade, subscribe for AI powered study strategies, get an IIT JEE guidance, career and corporate advice, motivation that actually works. Remember, AI alone is smart, the human brain alone is powerful, but together you become unstoppable.